stock markets are one of the oldest in Asia. Weathering several storms, today they stand tall among their global peers. Investment, returns, dividends, calculated risks are some of the common terms synonymous with stocks. Regarded as a true indicator of corporate India's performance, the country's stock markets are deeply aligned with the Indian economy. Tonight, Dun & Bradstreet join hands with Polaris Financial Technology and Bombay Stock Exchange to launch the 6th edition of the publication titled India's Leading Equity Broking Houses 2012. Polaris Financial Technology is a leading financial technology company with comprehensive portfolio of products and offers state-of-the-art solutions for core banking, corporate banking, wealth and asset management, and insurance. The Bombay Stock Exchange Limited, popularly known as BSE, was established in the year 1875 with a vision to emerge as India's premier stock exchange with best-in-class global practice in technology, products innovation and customer service. Dun & Bradstreet is the world's leading source of global business information, knowledge and insight, and has been enabling companies to decide with confidence for over 170 years. Ranked amongst the best, Dun & Bradstreet's global commercial database comprises more than 205 million business records. Concurring with the launch of the publication titled India's Leading Equity Broking Houses 2012, Polaris Financial Technology, Bombay Stock Exchange and Dun & Bradstreet will announce the Polaris Financial Technology BSE IPF DNB Equity Broking Awards 2012 that aim towards the best equity broking houses in the country. A total of 8 awards will be presented to various equity broking houses from the following categories: Best Equity Broking House Overall, Best Equity Broking House Cash Segment, Best Equity Broking House Derivative Segment, Broking House with Largest Distribution Network, Best Retail Broking House, Largest E-Broking House, Fastest Growing Equity Broking House, Large Firms, and Best Broking House with Global Presence. Polaris Financial Technology, Bombay Stock Exchange and Dun & Bradstreet will shortly announce the winners of Polaris Financial Technology BSE IPF DNB Equity Broking Awards 2012.